Welcome to George and Jane YouTube video channel of adventures and hobbies. Please subscribe and like, comments welcome. Don't forget to browse the playlists.
Hi YouTubers, it's George. I'm in the workshop or the garage, just messing about with a few things, but this is really to do with the excuse me, the Bongo Campervan, and this is the what's supplied for the automatic bleed kit for the coolant system on a Mazda Bongo diesel. And what you get a length of hose, a cutter, a step drill cutter, high speed, to go through the engine compartment and through the sort of the bulkhead area, an angle piece which goes in your drill to make it easier to drill the holes. You get a selection of clips. These are 10 to 16 millimeter, a Y piece, and a short length hose here. So let me just turn that radio off because it will drive me mad. Right, let's turn that radio off. Okay, now because it's taken so long, I sort of started on this project in the middle of July, and now it's about the 18th of August and they arrived today. But in parallel to this, the vehicle was off the road, and because I got a holiday booked, I thought, well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to order some of these bits separate from China, and the Chinese bits come about 2 days before this arrived. So when this arrived, I'd already done it. But if you want to do it yourself, there's two things you don't really need. If you remove the alternator and you remove the oil filler, you don't generally need this 90-degree drill attachment, because my drill actually fitted in the engine compartment to drill it. The stepped cutter, well, you can pick them up almost anywhere, and what I did, I ordered 2 meters of 10mm bore pipe, and I ordered a T-piece which was 10mm, and but I ordered a T-piece. Well, with this kit it's a Y piece, but you could use a Y piece or you could use a T-piece, it doesn't matter. You need a grommet to put the pipe through there, and you need some hose clamps, and basically that's it in the kit. But if you watch my video, you see how I done it, and so you can get the bits yourself. It's fairly straightforward to do, and it can be awkward if you've got the alternator in place, and it's awkward if you got your oil filler in place. So, you know, if you want to do it with an almost a normal drill, you know, you can buy all the bits separate and do it. And mine's working extremely well, I must admit. And what I shall do with these, as I no longer need them, I shall probably put them back. I'll put them on eBay. So thanks for watching this video, and all's well with the Bongo.